Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be doing Bece 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 13. Bece 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 13. The conversion of grassland into desert is known as. The conversion of grassland into desert is known as A. Afforestation, B. Agroforestry, C. Deforestation, and D. Desertification. Now we can't pick our answer if we don't understand the meaning of these terms. So we are going to starting with afforestation. Now afforestation simply means the planting. It is the act of planting of trees. And definitely when you engage yourself in tree planting, you are not converting a grassland to desert. Instead, you are trying to make up what a grassland. Then B says what agroforestry. Agroforestry is a branch of agriculture that deals with what? That deals with the production or the maintenance of a forest. So agroforestry deals mainly in forest, and definitely forest cannot be a desert. Now we have what deforestation. Deforestation simply means what? The act of falling trees. Act of falling what? Trees. You either fall trees for what? For wood, in order to make doors, in order to make chairs and tables. That's deforestation, falling of trees. Then that's desertification here. Desertification, from the name desertification, it simply means what? The formation of deserts. It simply means the formation of deserts, and it's also known as the conversion of grassland into a desert. That's the desertification. The process is involved in converting what a grassland into desert is known as desertification. So from this you see that what our answer is D, desertification. D. Thank you very much. Please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.